Double fertilization is dash. Option A. Fusion of two male gametes of a pollen tube with two different eggs. Option B. Fusion of one male gamete and with two polar nuclei. Option C. Syngamy and triple fusion. Option D. Fusion of two male gametes with one egg. Syngamy and triple fusion. Pollen grains can be stored for several years in liquid nitrogen having a temperature of dash. Option A -120 degrees Celsius. Option B -80 degrees Celsius. Option C -160 degrees Celsius. Option D -196 degrees Celsius. -196 degrees Celsius. Which of the following has proved helpful in preserving pollen as a fossil? Option A. Pollen kit. Option B. Cellulosic enzyme. Option C. Sporopollenin. Option D. Oil content. Sporopollen. A dioecious flower in plant prevents both. Option A. Autogamy and xenogamy. Option B. Autogamy and zetynogamy. Option C. Zetynogamy and xenogamy. Option D. Schistogamy and xenogamy. Autogamy and zetynogamy. Functional megaspore in an angiosperm develops into dash. Option A. Ovule. Option B. Endosperm. Option C. Embryo sac. Option D. Embryo. Embryo sac. Attractant and rewards are required for dash. Option A. Anemophily. Option B. Entomophily. Option C. Hydrophily. Option D. Schistogamy. Entomophily. Flowers which have a single ovule in the ovary and are packed into inflorescence are usually pollinated by dash. Option A. Water. Option B. Bee. Option C. Wind. Option D. Bat. Wind. Double fertilization is exhibited by dash. Option A. Gymnosperms. Option B. Algae. Option C. Fungi. Option D. Angiosperms. Angiosperm. In majority of angiosperms, dash. Option A. Egg has a filiform apparatus. Option B. There are numerous antipodal cells. Option C. Reduction division occurs in the megaspore mother cells. Option D. A small central cell is present in the embryo sac. Reduction division occurs in the megaspore mother cells. Pollination in water, hyacinth and water lily is brought about by the agency of dash. Option A. Water. Option B. Insect or wind. Option C, birds. Option D, bats. Insects or wind. The ovule of an angiosperm is technically equivalent to dash. Option A, megasporangium. Option B, megasporophyll. Option C, megaspore mother cell. Option D, megaspore. Megasporangium. Which one of the following statements is not true? Option A, stored pollen in liquid nitrogen can be used in the crop breeding programs. Option B, tapeworm helps in the dehiscence of anther. Option C, exine of pollen grains is made up of sporopollenin. Option D, pollen grains of many species cause several allergies. Tapeworm helps in the dehiscence of anther. Proximal end of the filament of stamen is attached to the dash. Option A, thalamus or petal. Option B, anther. Option C, connective. Option D, placenta. Thalamus or petal. The coconut water from tender coconut represents dash. Option A, free nuclear endosperm. Option B, endocarp. Option C, fleshy mesocarp. Option D, free nuclear proembryo. Free nuclear endosperm. Seed formation without fertilization in flowering plants involves the process of dash. Option A, apomixis. Option B, sporulation. Option C, budding. Option D, somatic hybridization. Apomixis. Male gametophyte in angiosperms produces dash. Option A, 3 sperms. Option B, 2 sperms and a vegetative cell. Option C, single sperm and a vegetative cell. Option D, single sperm and 2 vegetative cells. Two sperms and a vegetative cell. Coconut water from a tender coconut is dash. Option A, degenerated nucleus. Option B, immature embryo. Option C, free nuclear endosperm. Option D, innermost layers of the seed coat. Free nuclear endosperm. Filiform apparatus is characteristic feature of a dash. Option A, synergids. Option B, generative cell. Option C, nucellar embryo. Option D, eleuron cell. Synergids. The wheat grain has an embryo with one large shield-shaped cotyl known as dash. Option A, coleoptile. Option B, epiblast. Option C. Coleorhiza. Option D. Scutellum. Scutellum. Which one of the following fruits is parthenocarpic? Option A. Banana. Option B. Brinjal. Option C. Apple. Option D. Jackfruit. Banana.